Hello, welcome back. We're back on the 60 series today behind me. I'm filming this intro after I've done it all, so it's currently in a bit of a messy state, but what I'm doing today is cleaning the inside and sort of stripping it back, removing a lot of the parts and then cleaning the inside, putting some stuff back in, and then do that sort of stuff, going through the seats, seeing what's in there, because there's those rear drawers in the back there, taking those out, dealing with those and making it so it looks nice. Well, there's some interesting stuff in there, pretty messy. When I opened up the drawers, I found some interesting stuff, so yeah, keep a lookout for those. Let's get into the disassembly. Got to start by taking off these big things of PVC pipe. Now they're on there with screws, not tech screws, Phillips head. So I'm hoping they're not all just going to strip. Got the intake here, going to give it a go. Immediately stripped. That did it. Now I'm just going to make sure there isn't any water in that. As per the rule book of the project card, number 7, nothing shall work on the vehicle. That's number 7. It doesn't have the top on it, so I'm going to use a spanner to see if I can open it up. That seems pretty much open and nothing's coming out. So, Turns out it was full of water. I had to drill a hole in it because the tap was lying. I will drill a hole in the other one. We'll move our bucket. No, empty. That's good. Let's get that one off then. How much better does that look? Look at it. Fantastic. But now, taking that off, giving us access to all this nice rust in the top here. I'm gonna have a look at it all. I'm gonna do an entire video just for the rust repairs in the roof. And also like there's some in the doors through here, back of the seals under there. Now, I think what I'm going to do is get into this interior. As you see, a bit dark, but we've got our set of drawers in the back here. Actually, I'll open it up from the back. It is a nice sort of interior, like these door cards are still. We've got this set of drawers in here, which are good, but it goes all the way up to the front seats. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to take the ones out, because it's sort of in 2 pieces, I'm hoping. I'm gonna leave these rear ones in here, like the ones right at the back, and then take out the ones at the top and put those rear seats in. Just so it's a bit more of a all-around vehicle. Might see if I can do some marine carpet for this instead of keeping it wood. Okay, look at this. Open the back up here. Look what we got here. And it's brand new. If only I had just gone through first, I wouldn't have had to have bought that oil filter. And I bought a few things. Got our oil filter, air filter, and a drain plug with a sump washer. Ah, well, whatever. I guess there's another one in there now. Okay, big day of cleaning. Big day of cleaning. Inside is looking nice and clean. I haven't got the seats back in yet, but this steering wheel was so sticky. Unbelievable. I've only just gotten the horn done. Horn works. Outside is pretty bad. I'm just going to get a steering wheel cover for that because it's also frayed and pretty bad. And now I'm going to clean this seat off, which is our front bench seat, and then I'm going to go clean the rear bench seat as well and put those in. Not the driver's side bench seat because it's literally been mauled. Like pretty much one of the only things in the car that you can really see 30 good years of real good hard use. Yeah, that one I'm gonna need to get a new one. Alright, run into a bit of an issue. So I got those seats done. They're looking really nice. They are out in the sun drying. But one thing I encountered is that I do not think they're going to fit just by taking this rear portion out here. It needs to latch in at the back here, and there's no latch there. So I think I'm gonna have to take these out, slide them back, and I might just have to cut a bit off the back here. Still keep the drawers, but just cut a bit off. It'll probably be good taking them out anyway. Probably a bit easier to put marine carpet on them. Gotta do that now because I'm gonna try and put these rear seats in. Just the two brackets at the side that are holding it in. So if I take those out, theoretically I'll be able to pull it back and it'll come out. There's two brackets just down in here. So after a long time of figuring stuff out, I finally figured it out. So I was sitting here for a long time wondering how this whole thing worked. Because there's a latch here. I said before there's a latch on the back of the seat and there's no latch. And I thought it was under the drawers. That's why I pulled the drawers up moving forward. Turns out it's just not there anymore. I think there's a spot here with 3 bolts in it. I'm pretty sure that's where the latch is supposed to go. So I'm pretty sure I can just move those drawers straight back to where they were. So that's all right. I didn't really move them heaps. They're still sitting in the back there. But I do need to figure out how to get these to work because it needs to sit there. It needs to latch into place. So maybe I'll keep looking around, see if I can find something for it. Anyway, in the meantime, I do have to clean this front seat and put it back in. Okay, so that is the end of the cleaning process, or it's as far as I can get to today. As you can see behind me, the car is missing a couple of items. That's because I've just filmed the start of the rust repairs. So it gets pretty intense for those rust repairs, but nothing I can't manage. Got the majority of it cleaned up nicely. I know I've got to get a latch, steering wheel cover, sort of things like that, make it more saleable. And I've also got to get a driver's side seat, but now I've got that list ready, and at the end I'll put it all sort of in and together. But next we're going to be doing the rust repairs in the roof and a few in the doors, like it's mainly in the roof, nothing really through the body. And then after that we'll sand it back and get it painted in a good color after I've obviously done a few things. And then up on the hoist, after I finish the getting it running and everything, up on the hoist, do the underneath and everything, then you can sell it off, see how much you make. But yeah, basically that's the end of this video. So I'll see you on the next one.